Hello, beautiful queens. Welcome back to the Queendom, my YouTube channel. Today, I'm giving you another bomb wig review on this unit that you see me rocking right here. But before we get started, I need you to do a few simple things for me. First off, I need you to smash that subscribe button so you can join this amazing family, you guys. We are growing and glowing. Make sure you guys follow me on social media at Queendom Mindset. Check out my new book. It is entitled The Wig Game. And if you're a wig wearing queen, you need to read it. And last but not least, make sure you join us on Facebook at The Queen's Connection. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the unit I'm giving you is by Freetress Equal. This is Liana, and I have it in the color 1. So I had to put in some work for this unit, y'all, but when I tell you it's so worth it, it's so worth it. So the first thing I did is just go ahead and fluff out the wig, and when y'all see this on my head, you're probably gonna think I'm looking crazy, but she turned out to be a really cute, affordable, and easy unit to wear. So the unit does come with some bangs. I just want to let you guys know, for one, there is absolutely no combs in this unit. So if you're a comb girl, you're not going to get that with this unit, but it does come with some adjustable straps. The cap size was not really big head friendly, but I was able to make it work by flattening down my braids. So here I'm initially putting the wig on and I look pretty strange. But what I decided to do first was just comb out those bangs. The bangs came in like the crinkly curly look, but I wanted my bangs to look kind of full, so I did go ahead and comb those out. From there, I did a flip over method with some of the hair to make my bangs look even more fuller. So what I did is just measure across my forehead how much bang I wanted to add. And once I got the measurements to where I liked them, I decided to go ahead and cut. So I didn't use a specific method to cut. I kind of just grasped it by my visual. I didn't really measure anything, and thank the Lord it turned out right. I just like to make it do what it do when I customize my wigs, but for this one, since it was such an easy style, I knew it wasn't going to mess up the hair too much. So after I cut the unit, I decided to fluff out the hair some more. So I did go ahead and comb through those bangs again, and I did not comb or brush through the hair. I just ran through it with my fingers. The curling pattern is like a wet and wavy look, which is really nice. It reminds me of outre Peruvian, and I did not want to mess up that look, so I did just finger comb the hair. But then I decided to go ahead and cut layers. The unit does come straight in one length besides the bangs, so I did cut layers using scissors on each side, and all I did is go across each side and cut some of those choppy layers and try to make it look more natural. So once I did that, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys 3 styles that I did with this unit. The first, of course, is the straight down style, which you just saw, and the second is the ponytail, which is what I'm about to show you. So there is a centerpiece of the hair. I guess those are like the center tracks, and what I decided to do is put those in a ponytail, a high ponytail, and it turned out really cute. I feel like this is a really nice look for this wig. I like it better than the all straight down. So the second look I used that same ponytail, and what I did was wrap it around itself. So when I wrapped it around itself, what I did is I put the hair in a bun, and it is a high bun as well. And once I got the bun to the security that I liked it, I did take a bobby pin and place it in the back into one of those tracks, and I did fluff out my bun. So this, if you could not already tell, is my favorite style out of the 3. I love this bun. It looks super adorable. So if you guys want to know my complete honest opinion and all of the specs about this unit that you need to know before you buy it, make sure you guys stay tuned. When I say I feel like I finessed this wig, y'all, girl, like, she is so cute now. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get started with my honest review. First of all, I want to thank you guys for even watching. I really appreciate and love y'all so much. Y'all are literally like my family. The that I'm wearing today, this is by Freetress Equal. This is their luxury integration wig. This is the style Liana, Liana. And I have it in the color 1. So once again, I showed you guys the tag and everything. The unit I had to do some work to. Thank the Lord for helping me finesse this wig, because now it looks so cute. This unit is giving me all types of like 90s feels, but as you guys saw, I did have to put the work in. So this unit is very affordable, you guys. I got it for super cheap, and I'm happy I did. I like it overall, but I need to let you know a few things that definitely is going to maybe sway your opinion. For one, this unit does shed a lot. This reminds me of kind of like a quick weave type style. It sheds a lot. It doesn't have any combs. This is a full cap wig, so all you get is adjustable straps, and it is somewhat tight. I would not consider this to be big head friendly because my head is feeling a little tight right now. I'm not even gonna flex. I did have to pull out these curls to make it look more fluffier because the wig is thin. The wig is a thinner wig. This is not thick. Even though it may look thick and fluffy, it is not thick at all. It is a thinner wig. And also I did experience a lot of tangling as well as shedding with this unit. But even with all those cons, y'all, this is cute. Like, I really like this. So guys, yes, I really like this unit. If the tips I gave you to make your wig look more natural help, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and share it so I can help others as well. I really appreciate all you queens that are part of this queendom. We are growing, y'all. We are almost to 2,000, so I'm really excited. I love you guys so much as always, and I'll see you in the next video.